Want this glitch effect? I have already adjusted my clips for the edit. I'll just show you how to add the glitch effects. Go to Effects and add the 𝗵𝗵𝗵𝗵 effect. Go 5 frames backward from the beat and drag the effect layer there. Again, go 5 frames forward and cut the effect layer. Then copy the effect and paste it 9 times. Now add the negative effect and adjust the duration of it according to the 𝗵𝗵𝗵𝗵 effects. Copy all the effects and apply it on all the beats. And it's done.